Hello guys, and welcome to today's YouTube video. In this YouTube video we are going to be making a game in arcade.makecode.com by Microsoft, which will be coding our own game. I hope you enjoy it. Here we go. I promised in last video that we're going to do Lemon Leek, so we're going to do it today. Just going to take a little bit to load. We should be good. Okay, hey, let's make a game where there's wild strawberries out to attack our lemon player. The goal is to keep the lemon from losing its juice by avoiding outcoming strawberries. Lemon will leak some of its juice when strawberries collide with it. Okay. So. Whoa! So we need to set background color. Okay. I have been getting a lot better recently, so I might be going a bit faster paced than the last videos. So then set my sprite. Click it here. Set my sprite to kind player. And then move sprite with buttons. Okay, I'm gonna pick a lemon. There we go, nice, juicy, fresh lemon. And then, we should be good for this tab. To keep the lemon from leaving the screen, drag over a set my sprite stay in the screen and switch it on. Okay, so we need to find the set my sprites. So set my sprite. Stay in screen. Then click it on. And then we need to find in the info button a start countdown and change the time from 10 to 30 seconds. And then we should be done for that tab. Then after that, sorry about that, let me just turn off the sound, that was a bit loud. Okay, now pull out a on game update every from game. Set the interval time to 1000 ms or 1 second from sprites. Drag the set projectile to projectile from side block and drop it inside the on game update every. Click on the grey image box to select strawberry from the gallery. Let's see from the light bulb. So we need to find a new loop. Not the math, so it's on the game. Okay, so we need to make this into 1 second or 1000 ms. And then create a new sprite of kind. Set. Wait a minute. Let me just see something really quick. There it is, it's this one. Okay, let me drag that down a bit. Click the light bulb. Projectile, so we need to get the strawberry. And then 50 and then 100. Okay. Go to 100. Go into the projectile. Gallery. And then the big juicy strawberry. Nice. Click next. Over in the math drawer, pick up a pick random and put it in the VX slot for in the projectile. In pick random, change the first 0 to -50 and the second from 10 to 50. Duplicate this block and put it its copy for the VY. Okay. So we need pick randoms. Good. That would be in the math column. We put it in one of these. And then you need to have -50 and 50. So I'm gonna do that. negative 50, and 50. And then we've got, oh, why can't we duplicate that? Doesn't matter, I'm just gonna do this. Negative 50, and then 50. Okay. Then from sprites, drag and sprite kind overlaps block into the workspace. Set the kind for other sprite to projectile from sprites, drag a sprite start effect block and drop in the inside sprites overlaps block. Okay, so we need another loop right from here. Whoa, oh, I didn't mean to do that. And then a set my sprite start spray. So it's right this one. And then effect for 200. So we need to lower that to 200 and then we should be done with that tab. Then after that you need to click the change score by 1 and put it in there. Boom. Then we have done it. Oh, that was a bit unexpected. We completed the game. That's it. Keep moving your lemon. Try not to lose much juice. Every time a strawberry hits your lemon, it leaks some juice. The strawberry teams get some points. See if you can keep the juice points running. Keep the juice points down during the 30 seconds of play. Okay, that is the lemon leek. So I'm going to click the finish. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I'll be making more videos, so stay tuned. Well done, would you like to share your project? Not exactly. If you want to click different sprites, different background, you can customize it in any way you want. I'm going to publish my project. Hope you guys enjoyed. You can copy this link to share with friends and family, but I don't because I already have. And I hope you liked the video. I'll see you guys next time. See you. Bye.